What's going on, guys? Crypto Jimmy here, back with our crypto video. I hope you had a fantastic day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. If you enjoy the video, if you're a Solana bull, if you're hyped for the beginning of the crypto bull market, make sure to smash the like button right now. If you think my video sucks, if you think I'm cringe, smash the dislike button. I appreciate all the support, guys. Let's get straight into it. Solana, okay? It's actually crazy how much this coin has pumped over the past week. I've been trading it. I've been longing it for the past week or so. We are literally at $60. I did not think we were going to break above $40. I'm going to be honest with you. Volume is still steady. Volume is still looking very, very good. This is going to be the ignition for the bull market that we need. Okay, guys, I hope you guys are trading safely. I hope you guys are not over leveraging. Link in the description down below for Mexi. I got a $6,000 up to $6,000 bonus for you guys. You can trade up to 200x leverage. That means if you put $1,000 in, you can have $200,000 of buying power. I would not recommend that because that is just dumb. It's plain stupid. But if you're interested in trading leverage on Solana, make some crazy gains. Long it, short it. I got the link in the description down below for you. Be smart, be safe. Your life, your choice with trading, guys. But I highly recommend Mexi. Ignore all the FUD that people say about it. You know, they don't even pay me. I'm not even sponsored by Mexi. I'm not promoting them. They're just better than every other competition, all the other exchanges, 100%. Solana, $59. Guys, these are my thoughts on Solana. I remember back in November, okay? In November, when everything hit the fan in 2022, and I was not exposed to Solana. And I remember big boys in the space, like Alex Weiss, for example, saying around, I don't know what the bottom was, like, you know, $8, whatever it was, that, yeah, $9. I remember this, man. That was crazy. December. Wow, it really bottomed in December. Okay, that wasn't even in November. Around 8, when it was like $10 to $14. I remember big boys in the space, smart guys, people that you should listen to, people whose opinions you should value. We're saying that this was a massive opportunity to spot long it, right? To buy spot. And they were right. Okay, let's be honest here. It's just been like a 5 to 6x, which might not sound that crazy, but in the grand scheme of things, this is a coin that has value. Okay, the ecosystem's TVL is very high, and a lot of fudders will say that's not true, and they'll say Solana is dead. ETH, you know, is the true ecosystem that developers and retail wants to use, but that's just not true. Okay, you've seen the NFT space for Solana. You've seen the meme coin space is now starting to pump up, hype up with the price action here. There's a lot of truth to the fact that Sol could be the ETH of this bull cycle. It could be the ETH, the coin that 10x's in the bull cycle, 20x's. And so I'm excited, guys. I was there in 2018, 2019 when ETH was like $100 and something. I was there. I was buying ETH at $200, $300. And I know how that feels. That's what, you know, Solana was, you know, between, you know, $10 to $20. And now we've finally started, you know, the market, the rational market has realized that and has realized that Solana is hyper undervalued for the amount of value it provides for the ecosystem, for the different projects on the layer, and just it's just hyper bullish. I hate to say it, but it just is. Like Leo here saying a coin like Solana going up this much is how massive runs usually start. Attracts funds, retail, etc. Absolutely zero reason to cope here. If you're not in, respect the pump, because if you're a winner, shit is about to get wild. Respect the pump, as Ivan and Tech said. Always respect the pump. That's all I'm gonna say. You know, in this new world, this new month, this new you know, market we're seeing, respect the pump, because that pump will inevitably trickle down into your bags. It's just how it works. Ash crypto memeing, copium, hopium, whatever you want to say, hyper bullish behavior here. Finally bought my dream house thanks to Sol gains. Solana will flip Bitcoin in 2025. We love the stock Google Images photo, but I love it. It's absolutely fantastic. $1,000 Solana. That is the prediction that I am personally making. That is the $4,000 ETH. That is that level. You know, we're looking at a similar market cap that ETH currently has on Sol. We'll put about like $500 on Sol. ETH is definitely going to do more than 2x in the next bull market. A lot of people have been talking about the 10K level. I mean, look, if you look at ETH, for example, ETH really went higher than a lot of us remember. ETH literally topped like at almost 5K, 4,800, which is crazy. I don't remember it being that high. I thought it was like 4K, but no. A 2X from all-time high for ETH is no problem, considering that Its prior all-time high was 1100, 1200, around that area. That is a solid 4x from all-time high. A 2x would be safe, and then you're looking at a Solana flipping of ETH. Probably not going to happen, but the volume definitely is there for an easy 10 to 15x on Solana. One thing you have to keep in mind, though, with Solana is that FTX has a bag. They have like about 10%, maybe a little bit less than 10% of all in supply, all the Solana in supply. Now, a lot of that is locked up. You can read this article. It goes over it a little bit more. But that's like the one question, the one downside. I mean, once again, don't use this as a reason not to invest in things. Once again, not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell Solana, honestly. I mean, I'd wait for a retracement a little bit, obviously. But, when it comes to estates, when it comes to things like the Mt. Gox on Bitcoin that was allegedly had to be sold this year, everyone kept on saying stuff like that. It hasn't affected the market, obviously. There's deep liquidity now in crypto because of the institutions starting to find interest in the futures, for example. The CME futures volume bigger than Binance's, or I could say the open interest is bigger than Binance's open interest over the past, or just currently, like this week it passed it, which is crazy to think. Deeper liquidity, more market makers getting more interest allows for liquidation much easier, and a lot of it can also be sold OTC, like a lot of whales are going to be consistently selling. So on the price action, guys, if we look at the actual price and we go to like the monthly and we draw our great reliable fib retracement / fib level, doesn't matter if it's retracement or extension, you just want to get low to high. Looking at the 236 here, right there at $67, probably resistance, little bit of resistance there. I'm going to look for a retracement here. So this is the bull scenario, right? This is like the hyper bull. You see these guys just like saying $1 million Bitcoin. They would draw something like this on their chart. They would take the fib extension, okay? They would literally take the trend from 2021 to the top, look at the retracement, and then look at the golden ratio, which is at $426. Okay, that's like the hyper bull scenario. I think we're breaking that, man. It's crazy to think that SOL was like at around 200, over 200 in 2022, and it was like back then it was a shit chain. It was breaking all the time, absolute trash. But you see what happens in a few years. You see what real degen activity can create in the market. So yeah, I'm bullish, guys. I hope you guys are too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. And until then, as usual, peace.